Autel always paid attention for quality and the highest level of the software development. Thanks to that philosophy, offers the newest instruments MS909, MS919 and Ultra. So first tool, what I would like to tell you about, it will be the MS909. The tablet has a 9 inches display with a resolution 1536 per 2048 dots with Asari glass, so is the one of the most hard glass available on the world. This is for a protection of the tablet. Another important thing is the processor. Here it is the very efficient Octa-core 2.3 GHz. That's why the system reacts immediately for every action taken by operator. 128 GB solid-state drive provides the efficiency in the data access and guarantees more work speed, so appreciated currently in every workshop. The new battery built in the tablet ensures that the system will be ready to work within 8 hours without the necessity to recharge it. The tool has been equipped with 2 cameras. The rear one is the 16 megapixels and the front one is a 5 megapixels. The tablet works with Android, the version 7 OS, which has been prepared specially for this tool and for this purpose. From the back side, we can see the back plate and the pull-out stand. It can be used to hang on the tool on the steering wheel in the vehicle. In the upper part can be found connectors like a USB, HDMI and the power supply for charging the battery. MS909 is delivered with a new vehicle interface, which is the MaxiSys VCI. The interface has been upgraded and now offers the connectivity with a tablet using the USB cable, Bluetooth communication, or the new possibility what is the Wi-Fi communication. This is one of the most important changes because the Wi-Fi guarantees the faster and more stable communication between the interface and the tablet. This is not all. In the new MaxiSys VCI, there are new protocols introduced as well. So now the interface is compatible with a J2534, RP1210, ISO 22900, Duo over IP, so diagnosis over IP, CAN FD. Thanks to that application, it is possible to use the interface as a pass-through tool. So now the user will be able to use the OEM software. On this case, it will be required to fulfill the requirements of the car manufacturer.